Number 2. Good. I'm going to step back. I'm going to load. Step back, inside block, in a fighting stance. Grab. Front stance, back knuckle strike. Hiya! Load. Step back, inside block, grab, back knuckle. Hiya! Opposite side. Load. Step back, block, grab, back knuckle. Hiya! One more. Load. Step back, block, grab, back knuckle. Hiya! Good. Good. Number 2. Good. I'm going to be blocking to the inside this time. As she says sort of punch, I step back and block. Close fist. Grab. Extend to a front stance. Back knuckle to the side of the head or to the nose. Hiya. One more time. Hi. Hiya.